Well, we are now at the Drumhill Rotary in Chelmsford, Mass. This is one heck of a blizzard. It is 6:20, Friday night, February 20-something. 22nd. And as you can see, it's snowing out, and it's snowing pretty bad. It's an oncoming car, but here's my high beams, and you can see how bad it is. And now with an oncoming car, I gotta shut my high beams off. We are now on Route 4 in Chelmsford, going on to Route 3A North.
Cancel. Back. Map.
We are now on Route 3A, heading north, almost to my street, which shall remain nameless, just for the simple fact that I don't want everybody to know where I live. So for all you YouTube, My Yearbook, and MySpace fans, this is a Massachusetts snowstorm. Not a blizzard, but down south I definitely think we would have the whole state shut down. Say in Texas or Georgia, you know, the ones that don't know how to drive through snow. And we are now coming up on my street. And it's still snowing. It's a bad snowstorm. But nothing that us people up north can't handle. And again, here's a bit of my high beaming so you can sort of see how bad it is. And now, thanks to the city snowplows, I'm going to try to get up my driveway. And let's see. What do you know? I made it.